Okay, sorry. Hello, Maicon. Hello. Okay, now we're going to talk about David's holiday and Helen's holiday. Let me just draw quickly to make some space. Okay. Maicon, you're going to ask all the questions about David's holiday.
Where David go to on holiday?
Sorry. Where did Tram?
David went to the mountains
Yes.
on holiday.
Very good. Okay, number 2, Maicon.
On the David holiday, weather.
Weather. Oh, okay. Was.
Was on David's holiday is good.
Sorry. Was the weather good on David's holiday, Con? Yeah. Number 2. Was the weather good on David's holiday?
No, the weather is what we do.
Okay. Maicon, number 3.
How long on David's holiday?
How long was David on holiday for? Tram?
David was on 10 days.
Was on holiday for 10 days.
For 10 days.
Okay, good. Maicon, number 4.
What did David do on his holiday?
Con?
He did. David went.
What did David do on his holiday?
David went to the holiday. David went cycling.
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 On his holiday. Maicon?
Who David go? Who David go on?
Who did David go on holiday with? Okay, Tram?
David went on holiday with his friend.
Yay, very good. Okay, good job. Con, where did David go on holiday? Con, where did David go on holiday?
David went to the mountain on holiday.
Tram, was the weather good on David's holiday? Tram is gone. Okay, Maicon, was the weather good on David's holiday?
No, the weather was windy.
Okay. Khan, how long was David on holiday for?
David was on holiday for 10 days.
Okay. Tram? No. My Khan, what did David do on his holiday?
David went cycling on his holiday.
Good. Khan, who did David go on holiday with?
David went to the holiday with his school friend.
Okay, good. Okay, now Helen's holiday. Same thing, different person. Khan, can you ask the questions about Helen's holiday?
Where did Helen go on holiday?
Helen went to the... My Khan, sorry.
Helen went to the sea on holiday.
Okay, I don't know where Tram is. Khan, can you... Khan, can you ask the next question?
Was the weather good on Helen holidays?
My Khan?
Yes, the weather was sunny.
Good. Okay.
How long was Helen on holiday for?
My Khan?
Is Helen was on holiday for 2 weeks.
Good. Khan?
What did Helen do on his holiday? Helen went swimming on his holiday.
Her holiday.
Who did David go on holiday with? Helen went on holiday with her family.
Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, Tram, you missed that one. Okay. Let's see. Tram, where did David go on holiday?
David went to the
Sorry.
mountains on holiday.
Was the weather good on David's holiday?
No, the weather was windy.
How long was David on holiday for?
David was on holiday for 10 days.
What did David do on his holiday?
David went cycling on his holiday.
Who did David go on holiday with?
David went on holiday with his school friends.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's go see. I'm gonna go. Maikon, can you tell me the story?
First, one day the older boy is playing drum. And
the younger boy is playing drums. His older brother is
watch TV.
Okay, sorry, my computer is going to, we have to finish the lesson now. Otherwise you will go, my computer battery is going to die. Okay, good job today. I will see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.